The ANCEL AD610 Pro OBD2 scanner excels at diagnosing ABS issues, ensuring optimal braking performance by quickly identifying sensor faults, wiring problems, and pump failures. It provides comprehensive SRS diagnostics, allowing users to detect and resolve airbag system issues, ensuring the supplemental restraint system functions correctly. The scanner's full OBD2 functionality enables users to read and clear trouble codes, access real-time data, and perform various tests, making vehicle troubleshooting efficient. With AutoVIN technology, the scanner automatically identifies vehicle details, streamlining the diagnostic process and reducing errors caused by manual data entry. Its ABS auto-bleeding feature improves brake performance by efficiently removing air from brake lines, enhancing vehicle safety during critical situations. The device is user-friendly with Wi-Fi connectivity for easy setup and lifetime software updates, offering broad compatibility with over 100 car brands.